Chapter 2. More about the Earth. A unique planet. What makes our planet special? The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has everything needed for life. It has land, water, and air, along with the right temperature. While some planets are covered in gas and others are dry and lifeless, the Earth is full of plants, animals, and people. This is why it is called the living planet. The Earth is covered by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. It gives us oxygen to breathe and protects us from the sun's harmful rays. It also traps heat, keeping the planet warm enough for plants and animals to survive. Long ago, people thought the Earth was flat and that they would fall off the edge if they traveled too far. About 500 years ago, a sailor named Ferdinand Magellan and his crew sailed around the world and proved that the Earth is round. Today, astronauts in space and pictures taken from satellites also show that the Earth is shaped like a slightly flattened ball. The surface of the Earth. If you look at a picture of the Earth, you will see that it is covered in both land and water. But did you know that most of the Earth's surface is actually covered by water? About 75% of the planet is water. Only 25% is land. This is why the Earth looks blue from space and is called the blue planet. Continents and oceans. The surface of the Earth is made up of large land masses and vast water bodies. The huge areas of land are called continents and the massive bodies of water are called oceans. Continents and oceans together cover the entire planet, shaping the way we live. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Antarctica is the coldest and is covered in ice. There are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and coldest. The coast. There are some places on Earth where land and water meet. This is called the coast. The boundary line where the land and water meet is called coastline. Some coasts have sandy beaches. Some others have high rocky lands. Coasts are important for many animals, such as crabs, seagulls, and fish that live near the water. They also help protect the land from strong ocean waves. The horizon. Have you ever noticed that the land and sky appear to meet when you look in the distance? However, the land and sky do not actually meet. The place where the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon. What makes life possible on the Earth? Several factors make the Earth a perfect home for living things. Water for living things. Most of the Earth's surface is covered in water that is used by living things for drinking, farming, and daily life. Land to live on. Continents and landforms such as mountains, plains, and forests provide different places for plants and animals to grow. Air to breathe. The atmosphere, which surrounds the Earth, contains the right mix of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also keeps the Earth warm and protects us from harmful rays. The right temperature. The Earth's distance from the sun is perfect. It is neither too hot nor too cold, allowing plants, animals, and people to live comfortably. Sunlight for energy. The sun is the Earth's source of light and heat. It helps plants make food and gives warmth to all living things. This is why the earth is unique. Taking care of it is important so that life can continue for years to come. Words I know. Atmosphere, the blanket of air that covers the earth. Continents, large areas of land. Oceans, large bodies of water. Coast, the place on the earth where land and water meet. Coastline, the boundary line where the land and water meet. Horizon, the place where the land and sky appear to meet. To sum up, the Earth is the only planet where life exists because it has land, water, air, an appropriate distance from the sun and the right temperature. Atmosphere plays an important role in supporting life on Earth. The Earth is shaped like a slightly flattened ball. 75% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 25% is covered by land. The Earth has 7 continents and 5 oceans. The Earth has different types of coasts. The place where the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon.